Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Roman Traditions of Linguistics, a short history of linguistics. Lecture 6. Let's discuss the matter in brief. Influence of Greek scholars on Rome. Next in hierarchy in the development of linguistics in the early times after Greece is Rome. Like the Greeks, those that championed the courses of Latin grammar were Roman philosophers and thinkers. The Greek scholars greatly influenced their Roman counterparts. We continue our discussion about the influence of Greek scholars on Rome. We have some more ideas. In fact, according to Lyon's 1968-13, it is a matter of common knowledge that in every sphere of Roman scholarship, art, and literature, Greek influence was supreme. Lyon's John 1968 Introduction to Theoretical Linguistics, Cambridge University Press. We have some more ideas to share in this direction about influence of Greek scholars on Rome. The Greeks were said to have for a long time settled in the south of Italy. This afforded the Romans the opportunity to have pre-knowledge of Greek approach to language study. Marcus Varro's work on Latin was greatly influenced by both the Alexandrians and the Stoics. We continue our discussion. Now we have a study of Latin. One major factor that facilitated the transfer of such linguistic knowledge is the relatively similar basic structures of Greek and Latin languages. The study of Latin anchored on three main headings, namely etymology, morphology, and syntax. We continue our discussion in this spirit. Latin grammar was studied along three different ways. First, the scope of grammar was seen as the art of correct speech and of the understanding of the poets. Other things associated with this were to deal with letters and syllables. We have some more ideas about Latin grammar. Second is the treatment of the parts of a speech. The third aspect concentrated on grammaticality versus ungrammaticality. The last focused on whether one's style of speech is good or bad, as well as whether one's expression is barbaric or not. Hope you understand the concept in this brief discussion about history of linguistics. Thank you and goodbye.